I wanted to quickly just capture this moment because I was in the middle of a workflow and I was thinking like, oh, this would be so dope to be able to kind of just get people to kind of see how I work every single day and how I keep myself from having like a million tabs up or getting lost. And so I'm going to show you these three tabs or these three spaces that I work with that have open all the time in Notion to kind of just keep myself focused and keep myself checking things off. So one is every Sunday I have an accountability meetup where not only do I host it, but I also am doing it with everyone else. So here is my weekly planner. And so we go through this whole entire template together. We set timers and we go through each one of these sections. And at the end, we plan out our week. Okay, cool. So then once that is done on Sunday, now I know exactly everything that I need to do for this week. So this is kind of like a what it would look like at the end. But this is just my task tracker. It doesn't, how does that reflect with my actual calendar where I need to be in the meetings I need to go? So I also will have this tab up because this is telling me what to do. And then I also have my Notion calendar. My face will go away because it just disregard that. I will be my logo now. But so then I have my Notion email up because it's important that I'm able to quickly make a message. And what's cool is that it's already connected to my work email. So I can see emails that are coming in. I can reply back and all of that. And then also my calendar. So the calendar feature is linked to that task tracker that you guys saw earlier today. So now I can see whatever meetings or whatever appointments I have that I pulled up from my calendars and stuff like that. And then also my task tracker is connected. So far, these are the tasks I've completed. And next, I'm going to, I can easily time block things now. So I can see that I'm probably not going to make enough time for this because it's going to take me a minute. So I'm going to move this to another day. And I'm able to see that I can move this to another day and kind of extend it for like an hour and a half. So now no one can book on my calendar for this time. And this is specifically for this task. This is just a reminder. I already did this yesterday, sent this information to Alex. Shout out to Alex. So, I'm able to move things to where it makes sense. And now people aren't just hopping on my call. So this is kind of how I time block with my task and with my calendar, right? And also to have this calendar up. If I'm checking off tasks and then I see I'm about to hop in a meeting, I can easily click this meeting and join that Zoom meeting right here, right? Or I can cancel it or whatever the case may be. It's very much like you're just in your Google Calendar. But all three of these features are in Notion. So I really don't have to leave this workspace. So that's kind of like my workflow and kind of like what I have going on. And then if there's a task where I know I have to leave into another window or something like that, I will open up a separate window. I always keep these things as stationary pinned windows that don't really move. So yeah, if this was helpful and you're looking for a way to kind of just learn how you could be productive and naturally and uniquely to yourself, please come to the accountability meetups. The event information will be linked below and hopefully I'll see y'all there. All right, peace.